Are you losing money on your customers without even realizing it? It might sound impossible, but it's a surprisingly common problem for small businesses. Hi, I'm Dave Wilkins, founder and president of Wolverine Business Solutions. We work with business owners like you to overcome business and financial challenges to boost performance and overall success. It shouldn't come as a surprise that acquiring and retaining customers isn't free. Every interaction, every sale, every support call comes with a cost. But if you're not taking these costs seriously, you could be bleeding profits without even knowing why. These stealth profit killers are the visible and invisible expenses associated with your customers. Some of these expenses are recognized, while others often go unnoticed. Together, they can add up quickly and eat into your bottom line. Today, we're exploring these expenses and revealing the three crucial metrics that every business owner needs to understand. First is the cost of acquiring new customers, or CAC. Second is the cost of existing customers, ECC. And third is the value of keeping existing customers, or customer lifetime value, or CLTV. Let's start with CAC. This is the total cost your business incurs to acquire new customers. It's more than just your ad spend. It's the whole enchilada. CAC is the total marketing and sales cost divided by the number of new customers acquired. Imagine you're a managed IT service provider. Your CAC includes Google and LinkedIn ads, SEO optimization and website maintenance, sales team salaries and commissions, attendance at industry conferences and trade shows, lead generation, software subscriptions, and a whole lot more. For a manufacturing company, CAC might include exhibiting at trade shows, online advertising campaigns, maintaining a product catalog and website, travel expenses for sales reps, cost of sample products or demos, and again, a lot more. Every dollar you spend to attract and convert a new customer contributes to your CAC. This number can vary widely depending upon your industry, target market, and marketing strategies. But like an iceberg, these are the expenses you see. What's below the waterline are the hidden costs. These indirect costs include the time you and other non-marketing and sales staff spend on marketing and sales activities, which takes you away from other important activities. Now, let's talk about existing customer costs. This is the ongoing cost of servicing your existing customers. It's the investment you make to keep them satisfied, loyal, and coming back for more. ECC equals the total customer retention cost divided by the number of existing customers. For an MSP, ECC includes help desk, support staff, salaries and training, remote monitoring and maintenance, and software licenses, regular security updates and patches, client onboarding and offboarding costs, customer satisfaction surveys and feedback mechanisms, and again, a lot more. A manufacturer's ECC might include customer service team salaries and training, warranty and repair costs, technical support and troubleshooting, customer loyalty programs or discounts, account management and relationship building. Again, a lot more. Understanding your ECC is crucial because it reveals how much you're investing in customer retention. It can highlight areas where you can streamline processes or improve efficiency, or where you may want to commit more time and money if your retention rate is dropping. So much for the expense side. There's also a metric that tells you whether your customer acquisition and retention efforts are profitable, and that's your customer lifetime value, or CLTV. This is the total value a customer brings to your business over their entire relationship with you. CLTV is the average revenue per customer times the average customer lifespan. If your average managed service client pays $1,000 per month and stays with you for an average of 3 years, your CLTV would be $1,000 times 12 months times 3 years, or $36,000. For a manufacturer, CLTV includes the initial customer purchase of what you make, office equipment, say, for example, ongoing maintenance contracts, replacement parts, and additional orders over time. CLTV is the ultimate payoff for your customer acquisition and retention efforts. It's the metric that tells you whether your investment in customers is truly worthwhile. Now, you might be wondering, why do these numbers even matter? Well, think of it like this. If your CAC and ECC are higher than your CLTV, you're spending more to acquire and keep customers than they're worth to your business. That's a recipe for trouble. But if you can lower your CAC and ECC while increasing your CLTV, you're on the fast track to profitability and growth. Don't let hidden costs hold your business back. By mastering the customer equation, you can unlock a new level of financial clarity and take your business to new heights. Want to learn more about calculating your CAC, ECC, and CLTV? Leave a message below or schedule a call using the link below for a consultation. Wolverine Business Solutions, your partner for success. Thanks for watching.